So we're still working on this fender. We welded in this piece because this was all rusted out. And this was, the way they did it was two pieces anyway. They spot welded it together, but rust gets in there. So this is where it sits on the top of the running board. So water accumulates and messes up the metal. So we're going to finish this part up and then tune up the rest of that.
Sister, don't worry. Sister, don't worry. For the work is almost done. Keep your lamp trimmed and burning. Keep your lamp trimmed and burning. Keep your lamp trimmed and burning. And let's see what the Lord has done. Brother, don't get worried. Oh, brother, don't get worried. Oh, brother, don't get worried. Oh, for the work is almost done. Heaven's journey is almost over. Heaven's journey is almost over. Heaven's journey is almost over. Won't you see what the Lord has done? Elder, don't get worried. Elder, don't get worried. Elder, don't get worried. For the work is almost done. It's almost over. 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 Won't you see what the Lord has done? Brother, don't get worried. Oh, brother, don't get worried. Oh, brother, don't get worried. For the work is almost done. Keep your lamp trimmed and burning. Keep your lamp trimmed and burning. Keep your lamp trimmed and burning. For the work is almost done.
So we notch it, then we can bend it and keep our curve. Otherwise you have to have a shrinker and you have to shrink it first, and sometimes this is just easier. And we'll come back and weld in here and then cut it off, make it one piece. But first I gotta get this off because it bothers me.
Mississippi moonlight, trying to get my head right. be alright. Mississippi moonlight, everything gonna be alright. Mississippi moonlight, it's gonna be alright. Hey, Lordy, Mama, wear your dress so tight. I said, hey, Lordy, Mama, Papa, baby, wear the dress so tight. She said, oh, Daddy, I'm stepping out tonight. Mississippi moonlight, it's gonna be alright. Mississippi moonlight, it's gonna be alright. Yeah, Mississippi moonlight, funny, gonna be alright. Where the bridge is at?
So we're almost done with this fender. Still got one more to go. Hole, crack, hole. So we're going to tune this up, and then we'll go over what we did. Okay, so this was split apart. We put that back together. It was split apart here. And then I went ahead and, well, this was split apart. But anyway, I put that back together. And then this didn't meet. So we put that together. And then down here on the bottom, the same thing. And then, so this was rusted out. We cut this out, welded in our new stuff. And then there were some rust holes. We filled those. And then the same over here. So we went ahead and, this is just tack welded, so we tacked it in some more. This was cracked. And then tacked it in a few more times to relieve the stress off of this one little thing. So this fender is done as far as welding goes. Set it over to the side. I'm gonna get some port 15. I'm gonna treat in here and in here where these panels meet, so we don't get any more rust going in between them. And then we'll clean it one more time, and then it'll be ready to coat. But we still got one more fender to do. So I'm gonna spread some port 15 in here. Well, if y'all can watch, hold on.